Hello everyone. If you are someone like me, always struggling with so many open tabs in your browser, I have a good news for you. Google Chrome has a built-in feature for managing open tabs. Stay tuned for a short review. As far as I remember, I barely close any open tab in my browser until I'm sure that I'm done with that topic, which rarely happens. So, a typical day, I have so many tabs at the top of my browser that I can barely see the title of the tabs anymore. Honestly, it normally goes much more than what you can see in this demonstration video. However, I recently came across this feature in Google Chrome that lets you combine different tabs in groups. So, here is what you need to do to organize your open tabs. Simply click on one of the tabs at the top, hold the shift and click at the end of a group of tabs that are open back to back to make them all selected together. Then you can right click on the tab and select add tabs to new group. You can either create a new group or select from one of your previously created groups. Let's call it YouTube and I select the color red for it, and there we go. Now all these tabs are grouped into YouTube. If I click on this, I can make them close, open, close, open to have it much more organized. Now let's do the same with the other tabs from the other website. So I click on the first one, hold the shift and click on the last one, right click and select add tabs to group and new group. I call it 3D printing. And let's choose the color blue this time. And I click outside. Now all these tabs are grouped under the name 3D printing. If I click on this icon, it closes all the tabs, clicking again and open. But what if I have one of the tabs out of the group and I want to merge it to the group? I have two ways. I can either right click and select add tab to the group and select the name of the group that I want, or I can simply drag and drop it inside the group. As long as it goes between two of the tabs from that particular group, it joins that group. Now let's compare this to what it was at the beginning. It's quite handy and it is much more efficient when you have your tabs organized. But hold on, it's not finished yet. What if you need to find a specific tab between all those tabs that you have previously opened? It's gonna be tough going through them one by one, but Google Chrome has you covered. Simply go to the address bar, or as Google likes to call it, Omnibox, using Command L in Mac or Control L in Windows, and search for the name of that tab. As you can see, Google makes some suggestions for your search, and also it shows you some of the results from your open tab. Simply click on switch to this tab and there we go. You have that tab open in front of you. Okay, that was it for today. I hope you liked this video. Thank you for watching. This is Hamid DLL and I will see you in the next